The Canon printer error code 92243 typically indicates that the required permissions to access a specified folder are lacking, often accompanied by a text notification stating the lack of folder access privileges. This error commonly occurs after upgrading the device's operating system. One of the primary causes of this error is related to security settings, particularly the controlled folder access setting in Windows Defender, which can restrict access to scanning utilities and trigger the error code 9243. To resolve this issue, disabling the controlled folder access setting is often the solution, as it removes all controlled access permissions. This can be done by accessing the Windows Defender interface through the System tray or Settings, then navigating to the Virus and Threat Protection section, clicking on the Virus and Threat Protection Settings link, and toggling off the Controlled Folder Access button. After consenting to turn off the feature, the error should be resolved, and scanning should be possible again.